Amazon topped even the most optimistic street estimates on nearly every count. This was in many ways unexpected. How could they do it so well?
Yeah, hey Dominic, thanks for having me. Yeah, it really was a standout quarter. I think all the pieces are finally starting to fall into place for Amazon. In the e-commerce side, you saw really significant improvement in profitability. And then in advertising, you're seeing advertising grow at a 20% plus clip. And then most importantly, AWS growth was 12%, which was above the 10% consensus estimates. And I think even more importantly, Amazon said that AWS is starting to stabilize. So now there's the potential for reacceleration in the second half of the year. So really all the pieces are falling into place for Amazon. And I think that bodes well for the shares in the back half of the year.
Amazon's critical, Arun, to the overall market narrative, but also it's performed really well. There's no doubt about it. But it's not anywhere near what some of its mega cap peers have done, recovering from some of the downfall that we saw last year. Is this enough, though, to kind of get it back towards what Apple has seen in terms of stock growth, or Microsoft, or Alphabet, or some of these other mega cap tech names, Meta in particular?
Yeah, so for Amazon, the number one driver for the stock is that AWS business, and there was a lot of concern over the past few quarters that AWS growth was decelerating. There was concern amongst investors that Amazon was losing market share to Microsoft and Google. But the fact that AWS beat consensus this quarter, and the fact that Andy Jassy said that AWS growth is beginning to stabilize, I think that sets up the stock really well for the back half of the year, especially given all the new opportunities in AI, machine learning, large language models. Amazon is yet to really monetize those new products and services. And I think that will happen in Q4 and certainly in 2024. So the backdrop looks positive for AWS, and I think that's like I said, that's the number one driver for the stock.
Is there any way that we can extrapolate macro tailwinds for the rest of cloud computing in the business based upon what we heard from Amazon, or is this very execution specific to what happened at AWS?
No, I think the conclusion you can probably draw is that the cloud computing cycle is beginning to trough, if not already troughed. It seems like the worst is behind them. For Amazon, you're seeing customers are continue to cut costs. Enterprises of all sizes are trying to save money, cutting costs. But for AWS to grow 12% year over year on a $88 billion business, that means Amazon is bringing in a lot of new customers and migrating more customers to the cloud. So, the tailwinds are clearly outweighing the headwinds there, and I think that will continue in the back half of the year.